In front of me is OPPO A5x, and in this video I will show you what to do if you cannot access your smartphone using your screen lock pattern. In such case, make sure that you are trying to enter the screen lock pattern that you tried entering the last time when you successfully entered your system, and to make sure of it, try switching off your device by holding the power button and the volume up key at the same time, selecting restart option, and then wait until your device starts restarting, basically when you see the OPPO logo on your screen, and once you see it, start holding the volume down key. Okay, at this point start holding the volume down key and wait until your device boots into the safe mode, and in the safe mode you'll have to try to enter the screen lock pattern one more time. This time no third-party applications will be able to affect your screen lock behavior, as well as your device will not be as laggy as it could have been. Hold it down. Okay, your device vibrated. That means that you just booted into the safe mode, but let's keep waiting. Okay, and as you can see, in the bottom left corner of the screen you can see the safe mode indicator. So at this point try entering your screen lock pattern once again, and just in case you succeed, go into the settings application, then select security and privacy, and in security and privacy select device unlock, then go to fingerprint and face unlock, go to screen lock, draw your screen lock pattern once again, and select turn off password and confirm. Now simply reboot your device by holding the power key and the volume up button and selecting restart, and wait until your device reboots. And in case you didn't succeed entering the signing in the safe mode, then what I suggest you to do is contact OPPO customer support service, telling them about your issue, and in case you can prove the ownership of this device to them, they will most likely help you recover the access to your smartphone. Now if you cannot do this, then you can perform a factory reset operation on your smartphone. In case you have a Google account installed in your device, you can use Find My Device feature in order to perform a factory reset operation. And to perform a factory reset operation using Find My Device feature, you have to open Find Hub service on Google, not on Google but in any web browser that you can access. So open your web browser, look up Find Hub, and once you find it, open their website, log into the Google account that is connected with your smartphone, and after that select this device, which is OPPO A5x on the list, and select factory reset in order to erase all data from your smartphone. Then once the reset is complete, you'll be able to regain access to your device once again. And the other way to perform a factory reset is locally. To do that, you'll simply have to access the recovery mode on your smartphone. You can do this manually, but if you have some questions on how to do this, we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to perform factory reset operation through recovery mode on OPPO A5x, in which we explain everything step by step. So if you need that video, go ahead and check it out. And for today, that will be all. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.